Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning cycles on a HP OfficeJet Pro 9010E. Now this is nice and simple. It can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel found on the front of the printer. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, there will be a home icon lit here, which you can just press to be taken here. So what we're going to do first of all is drag down from the top of the screen where you can see there's a little cog icon. Drag that down, and then we're going to press to go into that cog icon, and we're going to scroll using the touch screen until we get to printer maintenance. Then we press into printer maintenance, and clean the printhead is the very top option. So we're going to go into that, press OK, and this will take your printer a while. As you can hear, it's starting to make some noises. And what it's doing is pushing ink through the printer's printhead to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that could be causing you print quality issues. So we'll give the printer a minute, and it will eventually spit out a page that hopefully looks a little bit better than this. I only have the colour blocks you can see here, but there should also be black ink present on the page as well. And you should have something that looks a little more like this. And from the print, you should be able to ascertain your printer's ability to print in black, yellow, cyan, and magenta. And those three colour blocks are the most important. You don't actually need to worry about the orange, green, and blue there. They are composite colours, which is a mix of the three main colour inks. And any issues with those will relate to a problem with one of these three colours. Obviously the black speaks for itself. If there's an absence of black, or lines going through the black, or any of the colours there, I'd recommend persevering with some more cleans. Thankfully, the printer's taken us straight back to the option to clean again, with it being shown just on screen, and from here you can just carry on doing cleaning cycles and test pages until you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality. So I'm going to get that one going again in the hopes of pulling through the colour. However, this range of printers is getting on a bit now, so it is entirely possible that the black portion of our customer's printhead has ceased working, and this is worth bearing in mind if repeated cleans haven't helped. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.